Tiger's reign of injustice and donkey is the hero of the forest. Tiger's reign of injustice. The king of the forest is the tiger. But he is not just. He is a complete factory of injustice. Tiger walking roaring, puffing out his chest. Listen, forest dwellers. This forest is mine. The grass is mine, the trees are mine, the fruits are mine, the air is mine. You are only my servants. From today, new rules. Deer will give grass. Monkey will give bananas. Elephant will give banana trees. Squirrel will give nuts. And parrot will say my name extra times by heart every day. All the animals move away in fear. Deer trembles. Then what should I eat? Tiger, you will be on a diet. Eat only leaves. That will keep your body healthy. Monkey quietly, oh my, the banana is gone. Should I eat the peel or not? Tiger eyes red. That's right. There are vitamins in the peel. Elephant sighs. Will you break my banana tree too? Will you tell me to brush my teeth with my teeth? Tiger, shut up. Whatever I say is the law. Everyone keeps their heads down. Donkey's entry. Suddenly, the donkey calls from a distance. Donkey loudly. Dhang. Hey tiger brother, after hearing so much roaring, my throat feels dry and stiff. Do you want me to bring you a glass of lemonade? Everyone stops. Monkey. Oh father, this donkey has become a sherbet seller. Tiger eyes red. This donkey. Who are you? Donkey with a sad face. Me, I am the singing master of this forest. I call 200 times a day. Everyone laughs when I call. Why are you frowning? It seems like there is a thorn stuck between your teeth. Dear, oh my, this donkey is not afraid. Tiger angrily. I will eat you. Donkey not afraid. Eat it, but brush your teeth first. I heard that the smell of your teeth makes even vultures faint. If you eat me, you will vomit. All the animals laugh and roll around. Tiger's tax law. The tiger roared and announced. From today, taxes are imposed. Deer will give grass. Monkey will give bananas. Elephant will give banana trees. And the donkey, he will be my alarm clock. He will call in the morning. The donkey bared his teeth. Are you making an alarm clock? Then I want a salary too. I have to buy oil for my throat. Monkey, ha ha ha, the donkey is asking for a reverse tax. Elephant, brother donkey, be careful, if the tiger bites you, it's over. Donkey, don't let it end. If you play with me, you will hiccups for 3 days. Then the whole forest will understand, the donkey's music is playing in the tiger's stomach. The whole forest burst into laughter. The problem with the horse's egg. The tiger got angry and wanted to trap the donkey. Tiger, listen donkey, bring me a horse's egg tomorrow morning. If you don't bring it, I will eat you. Donkey raising his eyebrows. Oh my lord, do horses lay eggs again? The tiger roared. I am the king. I will mean it. Donkey smiling. Okay, I'll bring it. But be careful, horse eggs are very special. The next day, the donkey appeared with a huge gourd. Donkey, here, horse eggs. But be careful, if you break them, a horse will come out and run away. The gourd bursts and a flood of laughter. The tiger rolled the egg. Suddenly it bursts. A few frogs jumped out from inside. The tiger shouted and ran. Oh mother, a foal has come out. Little horses, catch them. The monkey climbed the tree and rolled around laughing. Ha ha ha, they're making a frog into a horse. You really are a donkey. Dear, look, the tiger is running after the frog, like a racehorse. All the animals trembled with laughter. The tiger ran away in shame. Donkey is a hero. All the animals surround the donkey. Elephant, from today, the hero of the forest is the donkey. Monkey, You're right. From today, the song will be, Donkey is our friend, Tiger is a trap. Donkey in a serious manner. Brothers, I am a donkey. But I have learned to remain silent in the face of injustices, to be a donkey. To stand against injustices, to be a hero. All the animals clap their hands. The festival begins throughout the forest. And the tiger sits in the cave and mutters, Damn, I am a tiger, but today I lost to the donkey. Party Popper last lesson. The reign of injustice can be ended only with intelligence, courage and funny answers.